Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can force restart your Sony Android TV using the remote control. So if you are having a problem with playing YouTube videos, there's no sound, or there are some kind of issues on your TV, the first thing that you want to do is to restart the TV. So here's how you can do it. So using your remote control, you want to press and hold onto the power button. So the green power button right here. So press and hold, and then point it at the TV, and then you can see it say restart. Now using the navigation button on the control, and then you want to press on the center button right here. That is just like an OK or the select button. So it's gone away now, so I need to press on it again. And then you have to do it quickly. So press on that button. And then it says power off, shutting down, and at this point your TV will turn off and then turn it back on again. Okay, and that's it. Now the TV has restarted, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.